Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll be continuing with our analysis and evaluation series of the second year papers and आज का जो पेपर हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो रहेगा forensic medicine and toxicology FMT. So as we all know forensic medicine and toxicology FMT का जो पेपर रहता है वो approximately 3 hours which is the writing time, and the total marks are of 100 marks, which will contain your FMT, your forensic medicine, and also the toxicology part. So हमें डिस्कस करना रहेगा कि हम how can we attempt this paper of FMT and try to score maximum marks as possible, right? Personally speaking, मेरा FMT subject was one of my favorite subject of the second year, and I literally got great marks in FMT and just missed my distinction by 2 marks, but that doesn't even matter. But I really love FMT, and I had this thing for FMT because as we all know कि हम सब ने बचपन में CID के बहुत सारे episodes देखे रहेंगे, and obviously the crime petrol and everything, so everyone already knows only half of the FMT part, and just what we need to do is brush up our knowledge, previous knowledge, learn some new things, some chapters which we don't know, which we haven't which we didn't get chance to see in CIDs or any other series, which we can try to cover up in this topic of FMT by reading through our textbooks and notes. So without wasting much time, we get back straight to the business, like how to attempt the paper, how to score some great marks, and what will be the strategies. And then I'll be sharing with you all my analysis as well. And as obvious and as usual, you'll have to analyze the papers by yourself, create your own analysis and evaluation, make your own sets of question papers, and try to cover them first and try to cover all the importance first, which will help you and give you an edge above others while writing papers. So without much ado, let us begin. So as we all know, the first thing which will be the two markers, and since we don't know the surety and the guarantee of the two markers or the MCQs, it's better to prepare both. And if you prepare the two markers, your MCQs will automatically get covered. So the two markers part I won't be discussing in detail. All the two markers are solved papers of the previous year are available on my Telegram channel. Please do check and collect it. Okay, so first thing first, we'll always go by attempting the two markers first and trying our best to attempt all the 15 questions within 30 minutes and max to max 30 minutes. And if possible, अगर आप 20 मिनट में लिख सकते हो two markers तो it's well and good. You will have a great time writing the other answers afterwards. But you make sure कि जितने भी marks देते हैं, if it's one mark, the correspondent minutes which you can afford to spend on that mark is 2 minutes. So 1 mark is equal to 2 minutes. So 20 marks is equal to 40 minutes. But I will tell you all that if you all try to cover the 20 markers in 30 minutes, which will help you eventually in the later, because अगर आप 20 marker गिनोगे तो 120 marker is equal to 40 minutes. But obviously 20 markers 40 minutes तो नहीं होते. So you can try to cover up or save time from the 2 markers into the 20 marker. So now, as we all know, we have to first attempt our 2 markers. That's the basic funda and the basic thing in attending papers: 2 markers, 20 markers, 10 markers, and then we go into the 5 markers. So basically first of all you just cover the majority of the portion, and अगर लास्ट में बाई चांस अगर टाइम कम बचा तो एक 20 मार्कर के बदले आपका एक 5 मार्कर ही छूटेगा. So the difference of 20 markers and 5 markers is a big thing. So now, after attempting the 2 markers, we come on to the 20 marker question, wherein we all know that one question is sure shot from the introduction to toxicology and toxicological evidence, which is question number 7. Now, as we all know, this question is a sure shot question, and जितने भी जनरल टॉक्सिकोलॉजी के पार्ट है आपने कवर अप कर लेने हैं बाय डिफॉल्ट. सो जितने भी जनरल टॉक्सिकोलॉजी के क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, classification of poisons, role of the duty police officer and registered medical officer in the case of poisoning, the systems of treatment of poisoning, the gastric lavage, as we all know, is very important, the steps of treating poisoning cases, and all other things which are covered up in the general toxicology part should be covered first and foremost thing, because this question is of 20 marks. As now, if you view your previous year question papers, you will get to know that there is not a fixed question which is asked. There can be subdivisions, like for our time it came classification of poisons, then gastric lavage, and treatment of poisoning. So anything can come up. So it is very safe and very scoring if you all try to cover the general toxicology part completely. अगर आपने जनरल टॉक्सिकोलॉजी पूरा कर लिया है तो आप डेफिनेटली ये क्वेश्चन में बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मार्क्स स्कोर कर पाओगे. एंड हमेशा कोशिश करना कि आप है ना कोई फ्लो डायग्राम्स, कोई डायग्राम्स या फ्लो चार्ट हमेशा बना के रखो, बिकॉज इट विल actually help the teacher to just get an idea that you know something about the question paper, and the chances are you will get some good marks. So जैसे कि गैस्ट्रिक लवाज का हो गया तो आपने गैस्ट्रिक लवाज की ट्यूब बनानी है. Then whatever it may suit you, like if classification of poison is asked, you have to make the full flow chart and a diagram for the classification of poison in a flow chart, so you know it becomes easier for the teacher to read instead of reading those big paragraphs. So teachers के लिए काफ़ी easy पड़ जाएगा वो पढ़ना. So this is how we cover the 20 marker. You know, what I generally did was that I tried to do the general toxicology part completely, so that the question number 5 and 6 uh, could be kept aside and just do the toxicology part very strongly, because I had done the question number 5 and 6 as well, but I was keeping in mind that, you know, try to do that for the 5 markers and 10 markers, and try to cover the poisons for the 5 markers and not the 20 marker, because the scoring part which I think was the introduction to toxicology, because that is easy to learn, easy to present, and quite easy to score marks as well. So now we have done the 2 markers. We cover the 20 marker, which you have to try to attempt the क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 विच इज़ जनरल टॉक्सिकोलॉजी. मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर पूरा एक प्लेलिस्ट अवेलेबल है. सो आप ट्राई करना कि आप उसे एक बार पढ़ लो, उसे वापस से रिपीट करते रहो, तो आपका वो बेस काफ़ी स्ट्रांग बन जाएगा. देयर इज ऑल्सो वन शॉर्ट चार्ट, 1 पेजर चार्ट, wherein I have covered all the topics of general toxicology in one page, so that will help you all as well. So आपने उसे भी एक बार देख लेना है प्लीज़. Then comes the question number 4, which is 10 markers. Now, from this, 2 questions will be from medical legal aspect of death, investigations and postmortem, asphyxia, sexual offenses and abortion, and 2 questions will be from infanticide, pregnancy, delivery, personal identification and mechanical injuries. So since here the options are quite wide, I cannot tell you that which particular question could come. It is definitely your duty to attempt each and every question, to read and try to attempt each and everything in the textbook given. So you know, you are not just lying के on the fluke basis कि हमें मैं ये ऑप्शन में छोड़ूंगा, वो ऑप्शन में छोड़ूंगा. पहले ट्राई कर लेना कि आप सब कुछ कवर कर लो. So according to me, in this topic, something which is important is the medical legal aspect of death, MLE, and the postmortem definitely, and also the 10 marker short notes which are generally asked, which are asphyxial death. Very important. Asphyxial death, I think so, according to me, is one of the most important topics you should not afford to miss. जैसे कि हैंगिंग का 10 मार्कर हो गया, ड्राउनिंग का 10 मार्कर हो गया. फॉर आर टाइम इट केम ड्राउनिंग. सो हैंगिंग, ड्राउनिंग एंड थ्रॉटलिंग, strangling, strangulations, whatever the topics are, you have to try to cover it. You also, infanticide is also a very important topic for 10 markers and 5 markers as well. So you try to, and also person identification, age, sex, religion, many other things which could be asked. So you make sure, according to your analysis and evaluation, you try to cover up major topics and आपको easy पड़े पेपर अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए. Then comes the 5 markers, wherein there are many options available. So I won't go into the detail on this part, but I'll try to cover it up in the analysis part. So this was basically the full paper pattern of our MUHS board, and people who are watching this video who are not from MUHS as well, the topic of importance, I guess, more or less remains the same throughout all the courses and all the colleges and the portions. So I hope this thing helps you all out. Yeah, so now we move on to the part 2, which is analysis and evaluation. So let us begin. Now if we look on, see the circle ones are important for short note 5 markers, and the star mark ones are important short notes. So the first topic, which is introduction and legal procedure. Second, law of medicine में से law in relation to the medical profession, practitioners and the patient, professional secrets and privileged, professional negligence, product liability, vicarious responsibility, euthanasia, practice of legal medicine, domestic violence, sexual assault are some of the important 5-mark short notes which would be asked for examination. Now these are, I'm not saying that these are the compulsory questions, but according to the analysis of which I had made, these were quite often repeated in the papers, so I have highlighted them. आप चाहे तो आप दूसरे भी कर सकते हो, हालांकि आपको ट्राई करना है कि आप हर एक चीज़ कवर करो, बट अगर आपके पास लास्ट में टाइम नहीं बचा तो आपको सबसे पहले यही क्वेश्चंस कवर करने हैं. नाउ वी कम टू द पार्ट 2 which is forensic medicine and pathology. Section 2. Your important questions are race, sex, age. See, age is very important. Fingerprints, 5 markers is generally asked for fingerprints. Even 2 markers are very important, जैसे कि types of fingerprint हो गया, whorls, and all the different types which you will have to learn. So then some important parts are scars, scar marks, growth and disappearances of scar, examination of scars, footprints, and most importantly tattoo marks. Then we move on to the next topic, which is medico legal autopsy, which was asked in 2017 paper winter. Then some important questions are exhumation. Okay, so exhumation का जो टॉपिक है वो 5 मार्कर्स के लिए एंड 10 मार्कर्स के लिए क्वाइट ऑफन रिपीटेड होता है. Then we move on to the medico legal aspect of death and investigation. Okay, so if I want to tell you all, this is one of the most important and the core topic of the paper of FMT. There are many questions which are asked in this, so you have to try to attempt each and every subtopics which is given here and try to read them thoroughly and in detail. And some of the important topics from here as well are signs of somatic and clinical death, immediate signs of death, early signs of death, and late signs of death. Then changes in the eyes, changes in the skin. राइगर मोर्टिस, गाइस राइगर मोर्टिस एक काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो हमेशा आता है पेपर में हर एक ऑल्टरनेट ईयर में, या फिर you can understand, you can star mark it 5 mark, give it 5 marks or whatever it is, but it is very important. Then late signs of death, इसमें से भी gases of putrefaction, putrefactic gases, appearances of maggot and maggot की लाइफ साइकिल, ये आपको दोनों ही चीज़ों में काम आएगी, प्रैक्टिकल एज वेल एज थियरी पेपर्स. Then we move on to death from asphyxia. In this violent asphyxial deaths में से hanging is a 5 marker and sorry not a 5 marker but a 10 marker and a 5 starter. इसे आप 5 marks दे दीजिए अपने प्रेफरेंसेस में. इन्हें काफ़ी frequently asked question रहे FAQ. Then ligature strangulations, I mean each and every section here is very important. You cannot afford to miss any subtopic and questions. Suffocation, again very important. Drowning, very important. Choking, very important. Deaths from starvation and cold, इसमें से भी deaths from heat, very important. उसमें से भी scalding के 2 markers. Heat, the rule of 9, बहुत सारी चीज़ें इसमें important है. Then deaths from starvation, another important 10 marker. Then we move on to the mechanical injuries and general aspect, wherein you have to know the mechanism of injuries. उसमें से भी ये जो 3 मैंने जो मार्क किए हैं, classifications of injuries, abrasions, bruises, lacerations, stab wound, then firearm and ballistics, then embolism, but ये सारे थोड़े pathology के topics cover all the important types of injuries and of their 5 markers respectively. Then we move on to some regions wherein fractures of skulls is important. Injury in abdomen is quite important. Then we move on to the next part wherein the important things comes in burns. So ये बहुत ही important question है थर्मल इंजरी का burn. थर्मल इंजरी के अलग से 10 मार्कर भी आते हैं एंड इसमें से भी एक इम्पोर्टेंट कोई शॉर्ट नोट्स हो गए 5 मार्कर्स के लिए, तो स्कैल्स हो गया, बर्न्स इन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, बर्न्स इन डाउरी डेथ, ये सारी चीज़ें भी बर्न्स में आ जाती है. देन वायलेंस इन होम में से बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है एक बैटर्ड बेबी विच इज़ कैफे सिंड्रोम एंड बैटर्ड वाइफ्स का एक टॉपिक है जो 5 मार्कर्स के लिए बहुत आता है. देन वी मूव टू सेक्शन नंबर 5 वेर इन इम्पोर्टेंस स्टेरिलिटी एंड आर्टिफिशियल इंसेमिनेशन. जो इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स है उसमें से भी अगर मैं बोलना चाहूँ तो इम्पोर्टेंस एंड स्टेरिलिटी एंड टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Then, as we all know, the 3 topics virginity, pregnancy and delivery are quite often asked in 10 markers. तो आपने ये प्रिपेयर कर लेना है, उसमें से भी virginity especially. Then the presumptive signs and the probable signs and the conclusive signs of pregnancy. आप अगर एनालिसिस करोगे तो आप नोटिस करोगे कि तीनों चीज़ें बहुत ही ज़्यादा रिपीटेड हुई है. Then delivery is another important question. Then we finally move on to one of the most important topics of forensic medicine, which is natural sexual offenses and unnatural sexual offenses. उसमें से भी rape एक important 10 marker है and I would request you all to prepare rape का 10 marker very sure shot and with all the important knowledge and in details, because this question is very often asked. Then you have to always do the unnatural sexual offenses as well, wherein there is sodomy and all the different topics which will subtopics which you will read in that topic. So generally ये part में से 5 markers तो आ सकते हैं, and generally 2 markers is very important from this part. So you can expect 2 to 3 MCQs or 2 markers from this. You will be asked to tell about some nymphomaniacs, sodomy, then bestiality, and many other things in that. Then we move on to abortion. In that, criminal abortion is very important. Infanticide, again very important. Then finally, the forensic psychiatry part is not that very important in our topic and stuff. Then the next part which comes in is definitely our poisons. So toxicology part, उसमें से भी काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट जो टॉपिक्स हैं मैं आपको बता दूंगा यहाँ पे. सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन एंड लॉस रिलेटिंग टू पॉइजन. ये जनरल 20 मार्कर है हमारे सिलेबस का, जो कवर करता है इंट्रोडक्शन, रूल्स ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, एक्शन ऑफ पॉइजन्स, डोजेज ऑफ पॉइजन, फॉर्म ऑफ पॉइजन, मेथड ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, fate of poison in the body, toxicokinetics, poisoning in the living, poisoning in the dead, removal of unabsorbed poison from the body, use of antidotes. Antidotes is a very important 5 marker and an important part of the 20 marker. Then treatment of general symptoms. Then, so this was basically the important 20 markers का gist. आपको डिटेल नोट्स के लिए मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर अवेलेबल है, एंड ऑल्सो मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे सारे रिटन नोट्स भी अवेलेबल है. सो आई होप यू रीड दैट. देन कार्बोलिक एसिड फिनॉल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट 5 मार्कर. एक्सोलिक एसिड, अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट. phosphorus poisoning, very 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 important. Then we have arsenic poisoning. See, as you can see, 2015, 18 and 19 ये तीनों पेपर में arsenic poisoning आए हैं. Lead, shisha poisoning, copper poisoning are again very very important. Then we all know ergot poisoning, Arborus precatorius, the Jacoty bean, which is generally used for sui poisoning, is generally asked for 5 markers. Then Ricinus communis. Then snake, right guys, snake again is a very important topic. It has not been asked since many years in the paper, so you can expect a question on the snake poisoning as well, wherein you will be asked to differentiate between poisonous and non-poisonous snakes, the number of species in India, then what are the treatments of poisoning in snake, wherein you will be learning the first thing, which is to allay the fear of the patient. उन्हें ज़्यादा घबराना नहीं देना है, बिकॉज उन्हें बताना होगा कि हर एक स्नेक पॉइजनिंग नहीं होता. सो यू विल ट्राई टू लर्न ऑल दैट थिंग इन दैट टॉपिक. स्नेक पॉइजनिंग, डोंट मिस इट, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Then we move on to opium and morphine poisoning. Again, very, very, very important. Alcohol poisoning, guys, 10 markers, 5 markers, almost fixed every other year. Then you can also get a short note on 5 markers from peripheral nerve poison. Then diluent poisons are one of the very important topic, and also organophosphorus compounds are very, very, very important. Diluent poison में से धतूरा and cannabis indica का 5 marker is expected every other paper. Then आप अपने अकॉर्डिंगली दूसरे टॉपिक्स भी देख सकते हो. एंड विद दिस वी जनरली एंड द इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स, द हाईलाइटेड पार्ट्स. मैं अगेन आपको पूरे से पूरे पेपर के एनालिसिस के भी लेके जाऊंगा, सो आपको एक बार वापस से कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए. ओके गाइस, सो ये मेरा हैंड रिटन एनालिसिस है, वेरिन as you will see that all the underlined ones are very important, and in 5 markers anything and everything can be asked. So it is better not to depend on your luck, but to depend on your hard work and try to cover as much as possible. But अगर आपके unfortunately due to any circumstances आप कवर नहीं कर पाते हो, तो डेफिनेटली जो मैंने हाईलाइटेड किए हैं वो पहले ट्राई कर लेना कवर करने के लिए. सो यू विल बी ऑन द सेफर साइड ऑफ द एग्जाम्स. सो एक्सह्यूमेशन, artificial insemination, MTP Act, the rule of 9, every other paper it is asked. Vitriolage, very important. Kerosene poisoning, gastric lavage. Sui poisoning, gastric lavage. Mental Health Act. See, 3-4 एक्ट भी है जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपने वो कर ही लेना है. Coroner's inquest, exhumation, the drug and cosmetic act, running amok, very important, running amok. Then classification of poisoning, very 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 important. Classification of poison, an important 5 marker and also a part of the 20 marker. Then MTP Act again retained. Mental retardation and MLA. Okay, so it is a rare question. MLA of mechanical injuries, पॉइजनिंग बाय एनाल्जेसिक्स अगेन रेयर बट इंपॉर्टेंट. पॉइजनिंग बाय वॉ गैसेस भी एक काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स ऑफ धतुरा पॉइजनिंग. बैटर्ड बेबी सिंड्रोम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. राइगर मोटिस एंड इट्स साइंस अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बैटर्ड बेबी, सो यू नो आई जस्ट मेक श्योर एंड स्क्रॉल थ्रू दिस पेजेस सो दैट आपको जो भी लगे इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सको आप. सो आई इट्स देयर इज नो पॉइंट डिस्कसिंग एंड रीडिंग ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन. सो जितनी भी एनालिसिस है उससे आप अच्छे से एक बार देख लो, पढ़ लो, एंड चाहिए तो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. Here also MTP Act is again asked. Artificial insemination again asked. So आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो इसे. ये इंपॉर्टेंट कोई 10 मार्कर्स आ गए जिसमें से आप देख सकते हो कि मैंने बताया था कि एस्फिशियल डेथ के 10 मार्कर्स काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपने वो कर लेने हैं अच्छी तरीके से. रूल ऑफ 9, टाइप्स ऑफ हैंगिंग, एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ अक्यूज्ड इन रेप, स्टेजेस ऑफ डेथ, ये चारों बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट 10 मार्कर्स है. यू कांट अफोर्ड टू मिस दैम. एंड एज वी ऑल नो समर में जैसे मैंने किया था कि जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइजन्स है वो बेशक आपने करने हैं, जैसे कि लेड पॉइजनिंग हो गया, अक्यूट आर्सेनिक पॉइजनिंग हो गई, कार्बोलिज्म हो गया, पॉइजनिंग ऑफ स्नेक्स हो गए. बट इफ़ पॉसिबल एंड अगर आपको क्वेश्चंस आए तो जनरल टॉक्सिकोलॉजी के क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट कर लेना, वो काफ़ी ईजी होते हैं एंड स्कोरिंग भी होते हैं. सो ओके गाइस, सो with this we cover up FMT analysis and evaluation part of the paper. So I hope you all this has helped you. If you like the video, please do like it, subscribe it and share it with your friends. It will motivate me to make more and more such videos. Currently I'm working on many other things as well, but due to the lack of recording and my surrounding environment is always noisy all the day, so the only time I get to record is at night when everything is shut down, the metro work and everything. So the time constraint is there, but I'll try my best to help you all out with this thing. And all the second year important notes and everything is available on the Telegram channel. You can check it out. And we'll soon start with the third year things as well. So I hope this thing has helped you. Always remember to do the 2 markers pit pat, solve them, देन गो फॉर द 20 मार्कर जो सारे अवेलेबल है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर अच्छी तरीके से. वो हो जाने के बाद एक बार उसका माइंड मैप देख लेना आप, द माइंड मैप फॉर जनरल टॉक्सिकोलॉजी. सो द थिंग्स विल बिकम वेरी क्लियर. एंड जितने भी ये एनालिसिस और इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस थे आप अपनी तरीके से एनालाइज कर लो अच्छी तरीके से. सम सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस साइड में निकाल के रख दो कि जो आपको लगे कि इंपॉर्टेंट आने वाले हैं, एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं, नोइंग ऑन योर गट फीलिंग. एंड आप उससे ही रिपीट करते रहो थोड़ी देर में, 3-4 दिन में वापस से रिवाइज करते रहो. So which will eventually help you all out in the papers when the final paper comes in. And also don't think कि एग्ज़ाम्स होंगे नहीं होंगे, because वही मान के चलो कि एग्ज़ाम्स होने वाले हैं. I understand that the cases are rising and they are rising very rapidly. So please do take care of yourselves as well. Keep sanitizing your hands, wear the mask, and try to avoid the the areas where there is a lot of population and gathering. So that's all from my side as well. I hope you all stay safe always and keep learning and inspiring others around you as well, and always try and aim to become good doctors with some good and sound knowledge, because see, passing and all will happen at one point of time in life, but the second part which comes for the life thing, the studies which you all do for life is very important in life as well. So that doesn't come from just reading the books and everything, it comes from the experiences as well, and many other things which will eventually happen as and when you progress in life. So my best wishes always, and take care, stay safe, and do share this with your friends and help them as well. Thank you very much.